While the retail market focused on daily headlines, institutional capital quietly repositioned as the Nifty powered through resistance, eyeing a critical 24,800 breakout. This wasn't just momentum, it was a structural shift driven by deeply rooted earnings visibility in India's large-cap segment. The Indian market, as represented by the Nifty and Sensex, functions as a high-beta proxy for the nation's economic engine. Its core moat is the sheer scale and resilience of domestic demand, shielded somewhat from global volatility. These indices reflect the performance of India's largest, most established enterprises. The value proposition here is clear: exposure to a rapidly expanding economy with favorable demographics and an improving regulatory environment. Large caps within these indices offer a unique blend of stability and growth, making them attractive to institutional investors seeking quality exposure to the India growth story. Now, let's look at what's driving this. India's Q1 earnings season has been robust, particularly for the large-cap segment. While we don't have specific company figures to dive into today, the aggregate picture painted by analysts points to healthy top-line growth and impressive earnings resilience among the index heavyweights. The interesting part is the margin story. Despite global inflationary pressures, many large-cap Indian companies have managed to either sustain or even expand their operating margins. This speaks to their pricing power, efficient cost management, and the underlying demand recovery in key sectors. That's not the only signal. Analysts across the board are noting a consistent theme in post-earnings commentary: a renewed focus on strategic execution and disciplined capital allocation. This isn't about short-term gains, it's about building long-term value. The market appears to be pricing in a sustained period of prudent growth from top-tier management teams. The general corporate guidance, while cautiously optimistic, underscores a healthy demand environment and improving operational efficiencies. This institutional conviction isn't solely based on past performance, it's driven by the forward visibility of earnings. Now, look at how the broader sector is reacting. A significant driver of the recent Nifty and Sensex strength has been robust buying in the IT sector. This isn't surprising given the structural tailwinds: accelerating digital transformation, increasing tech spending globally, and India's competitive advantage in IT services. This demand recovery is tangible. The broader macroeconomic environment for India remains constructive. Domestic consumption is strong, government capital expenditure is robust, and policy initiatives continue to support economic expansion. This structural momentum creates a fertile ground for large-cap outperformance, attracting global liquidity. But that's only part of the story. The data context highlighted broader market weakness despite large-cap strength. This divergence poses a risk. Small and mid-caps, often more sensitive to cost inflation and tighter liquidity, could see profit-taking. This capital rotation from broader market to large caps needs close monitoring. Other systemic headwinds include potential global growth deceleration, which could impact India's export-oriented sectors, including parts of IT. Interest rate sensitivity also remains a concern. Any unexpected hawkish shift by central banks could trigger risk repricing, especially in growth stocks. The bigger question is, the Nifty's target of 24,800 isn't just a technical level, it reflects a fundamental valuation reassessment. Sustained robust Q1 earnings, combined with strong IT buying, suggests improving earnings visibility. This provides a clear runway for large caps, even if broader market weakness persists. The multi-year thesis for India remains compelling. Structural reforms, a growing middle class, and increasing financialization of savings continue to fuel domestic equity markets. Large caps, with their established moats and proven management, are positioned to compound wealth over the long term. Something important is happening here. From a tactical perspective, we continue to see quality large cap names, particularly in the IT and select financial space, on breakout watch for structural momentum. Conversely, segments of the overextended mid and small cap universe warrant trim consideration as institutional capital shifts towards safety and validated earnings. What we are witnessing is a repricing of quality within the Indian market. The Nifty's ascent towards 24,800 is more than just a number, it's a strong signal of investor confidence in India's premier companies. For deep dive institutional insights and structural investment themes that transcend daily noise, subscribe to SR Money News IN. Stay ahead of the curve.